I remember a few days ago I was talking to my son, Mr. Manvir. I asked him what is his favorite chocolate, favorite animal, and favorite breakfast. After he answered, he said, Daddy, can I ask you one question? I said, Sure. He said, What is your favorite sound? I took few minutes to think and I said, My favorite sound is laughter. Yes, my favorite sound is laughter because it makes me happy. It is the sound that instantly brighten my day no matter how I am feeling. There are so many different types of laughters. There is carefree laughters of children like Mr. Manvi and infectious laughter of friends and genuine laughter of loved ones. Each laughter has its unique way to make me feel good. I think the reason why I love laughter so much because it is the sound of joy. It is a sound that reminds me there is something good in the world when things are tough. And it is a sound gives me a hope. The famous English comedy actor Charlie Chaplin said, "The day without laughter, the day wasted." And there are so many research also done on that laughter, and they proved that laughter can reduce our stress up to 70%, and it can help to change our mood up to 100%. So, if you are ever feeling down, I encourage you to find someone to laugh with. It is a surefire way to uplift our spirit and make our day little brighter.